In 3, 2, 1, and action.
Sanibonani Dumelang, everybody, and welcome back to Soweto Podcast. Y'all know it's your girl Tamika Kessa once again. I'm back with another bang, bang, bang. And today, I get to make it one, I get to make it also on Monday. Lamona also Monday, guys. Now, before it's another thing, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. I get a lot guys, and also become a member. I get a lot. Now, without any further ado, I get into having hello, Sissy.
Hi, Sissy. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Could you introduce it to our beautiful audience? Okay.
My name is Nomthanda Zakoza. I grew up in KZN, and then after I finished matric, I came back in Joburg, and then I'm currently staying in Soweto, Dlamini, with my kids. Yeah.
Okay, Chumi, so today we're going to story saying.
It's my story. It's about me losing my child.
Okay.
Yes, I was poisoned by my little sister.
Okay, before I can detail to detail. It kadile jwang. Where's the
okay.
Sister, how how poison?
No.
What happened to me?
Okay. Well, usiswami bekahlala ekhaya, and then she moved home because began a conflict, my mom.
Okay.
And then mega mover, she went to stay with her boyfriend in Kempton Park.
Okay.
And then she's actually rude. Wow, uyawazi ama-2K kusanjani.
Okay.
And then makafika lapha eKempton Park waphinda futhi waxabana ne-boyfriend yakhe in April this year early. Angifonele, hi Sisi, I have a problem here. I just fought with my boyfriend and I need a place to stay. Yeah. Okay. I was staying with my boyfriend, Gabona.
Oh, okay.
Yes, with our kids. And then I told my sister, wait, it's in Kulman and then then I'm gonna get back to you. I said, okay. And then I called my partner, hey, sinenkinga so uno sipo 1, 2, 3, 4. I said, okay, no problem. And then month end we're gonna make a plan for her. It's okay, thank you. And then I went back and I phoned out sister, hi sis, you can come and stay with us up until month end. And then after that we're gonna make a plan for you. Right? So I figured the very same day. Because we're very close, very, very close. She was my number one.
She's your little sister?
Yes, my little sister. We were very, very close. She was my best friend. Okay, from April, May, June, July. And then angasahambi because half itla ulo arrange utlodula nakonyana enyane and then atsamaya ayithole pleke hayawudula. Okay, so azange ngisambuza ukuthi hayibo sisters inyanga iphelile what wabona no ngasambuza because bengibona ngathi it's a road yabona. And besides she was helping me because I was pregnant and bengasakhona ukulungiselela abantwana. I've got 2 kids, 10 and 5 years.
Okay.
So bekangisiza kakhulu ngabantwana and vele we're planning ukuthi sibe nomuntu osiza endlini. Then we decided ukuthi since sekahlale fine uzoba umuntu wethu la endlini, but we were paying her every month. Okay. Yes. Sahlala everything was fine. Transport abantwana mengafiki angithathela abantwana abahambise esikolweni. Yabona. Okay, sharp umuntu amahamba emsebenzini, but then isikhathi masilokhu siya ngokuya angishintshele usister wami. Umuntu othanda izinto, she like things a lot.
Okay.
Uyislay queen esinzima kabi. Okay, sharp. Every time asimphi imali, bekathengela inwele, into zokugcobisa, ngithothela nje kawufela wabona. Okay, sharp besingamind because umntwana vele 2000 at the end of the day. And then makhamba isikhathi, maka athanda ukuyenza ama-jokes wakhe, they were not funny. Yabona? Athi yo wena umnyama yabona kanti hayi wena ungathenga izinto zokugcobisa nawe bemuhle uzinakekele and stuff yabona. Ngimtshela ngithi no, I think i-pregnancy engenza so isikhathi masilokho siya ngokuya ngizoba right nami yabona. Athi hayi wena ngathi ugogo in uyabona ama-pregnant kunezinto ezikunukela kabi, kunezinto ongazithandi, awuthandi izinto eziningi. So like bengasawa umuntu ukuthi ngiyagcobisa ngenza in like bengeza mangezile nje bangihleli yabona because i-pregnancy yami it was what's this it was a bed rest pregnancy.
Okay.
Yes. So bengasayenza izinto eziningi bengihlala ngihleli nje yabona. So lately ngibona athi angitshela umuntu wami athi yazi ama-jokes ka-sister wakho sengwanothisile. Angithandi the way ajoka ngakhona nawe yabona. It's not funny yabona. Ngithi no, I'm gonna talk to her yabona. Athi yakhuluma naye angithandi the way ayenza ngakhona because isikhathi masilokhu sihamba uzojoka kukhona abanye abantu yabona. I don't like it when she's making fun of you yabona. Ngithi it's fine ngizokhuluma naye yabona. Okay sharp. Khamba isikhathi yahamba uphathi nawe emsebenzini ngisale naye yabona. Ngitshela ngithi yazi recently nginotisile bengitshela ukuthi ama hormones and stuff but no. Ujoka kabi nami and I don't like it yabona. Hayi mina ngidlala nawe why uyenza sona why namhlanje kuyi big deal bla 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 yabona. Akwade sikwatelana for leso sikhathi esincane. So mina ngumuntu ukuthi ngiyakwata ngiphinde ngibe right. Angikwati isikhathi eside yabona. Okay, the following day I was fine. Isivuke ekseni ufuna ini sizodla ini and stuff izinto ezikanjalo bla bla bla. U driver transport phone I'm not coming today. please collect kids blah 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 blah. Okay, ahamba collect abantwana. So endleleni uyangitshela umntana wami ukuthi yazi namhlanje uauntie bekangasiphathanga kahle yabona. Ngithi uyenzeni? Athi hayi bekangithethisa yenza in yabona. Ngingayinaki indaba khona nje ngithathe nje light. Okay, sharp sihamba isikhathi. The following day shoe driver futhi nginenkinga angikhoni ukuyothatha abantwana ngiyacela please ngibathatheni bazali yabona. Athi I'm not going there yabona. Ngithi mara sikubhatalile wawuyenza kanjalo yabona. Athi hayi ngendlela mele nami ngibone impilo mele ngizame ngibone ukuthi ngiphila kanjani wena right la uphila kahle bla 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 uyabona ngithi hayi okay sharp ngizohamba ngihambisa abantwana bami and then I jumped the following day ngazilungisela abantwana ngabahambisa ngabayisa esikoleni ngabuya and then she went somewhere I didn't ask ukuthi uya kuphi yabona angangifoneli she usually besikhuluma like almost every day phoneini wenzani ngenza so ngihamba kuphi bla 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 ahlala ngiupdate ngayo yonke into ayenzayo then angakhulumi that day nami ngizithulele yabona ngithi ithi ngimyekele kanjalo angabuyi endlini ahlale I think it was 2 or 3 days angisakhumbuli kahle abuye ngelanga lesi4 hayi makabuya sekangcono attitude and everything hi alright ngithi hayi right yo boyenza kanjani sithi ngiyekho ngithi no why I was managing bengibahambisa abantwana and beside the transport bathe Monday izobe seyisharp hathi hayi okay askisi mani nayo yonke into lama jokes nana askisi ngicela siqale kabusha yabona sengizoba right so nami ngibonile ukuthi bengirong but bengitshela ukuthi ngiyadlala yabona ngithi no it's okay ngiyaxolela yabona hathi hayi vele bengazi ukuthi uzongixolela hayi sibe right Kambe isikhathi in July bekangikhapha kuma appointments wami clinic like yonke indawo besihlale sihamba sonke like besenza yonke into together mina naye yabona okay sharp ngimtshela ngithi ngiya e-clinic and this time around sengihamba ama appointment twice a month yabona athi okay sharp ngifuna ukuhamba nawe ngifuna ukuyobona like escanning umntwana nani yabona ngithi okay sharp sahambe senze nje everything sibe right yabona so makhamba isikhathi umuntu wami angitshela athi yazi kunento engitshelwa omunye umbhudilana athi usisi wakho ngathi usebenzisa ama yabona
okay
ngithi mina serious athi ngithi hayi lo muntu loyo uyamsukela yabona not my sister angeke azayenze into athi yes usisi wakho ngathi usebenzisa ama and kuneyindawo ezingekho right azihamba yabona ngithi sho ithi king naki batlili taba and besides ngisase pregnant angifuni ukuzwa next like engahlangani nami yabona athi no bengikutshela nje ukuthi ukhulume naye makuthi khona into wrong asitshela ukuthi yini inkinga yakhe mhlambe makafuna usizo simsize yabona ngithi like I don't think indawo yami leyo indawo yabazali but ke ithi ngideliver kuqala because vele next month singiya deliver sizombo and then we'll take it from there yabona athi okay sharp khamba isikhathi kushaye i26 August bekuyilanga lami lokudeliver my partner was at work abantwana bebasesikoleni ngizwe ukuthi no I have ama labor pains okay sharp ngimtshela ngithi yona namhlanje ngiyadeliver yabona because inyanga bese izophela bathi hayi kanti wayengadate yabona sifuna ukubona umntwana bla 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 bangijahile ngithi ngeke iphele inyanga uzofika umntwana then ifika idate ukuthi ngiyodeliver vele udoctor bekasho ukuthi uzothola umntwana nge26 August fine 26 August ngizwa ama labor pains ukuthi hayi nawo ke yabona ngimtshela ukuthi hayi namhlanje ngathi ngizothola umntwana yena she doesn't have kids so xoxela ngayo yonke into eyenzakalayo okay sharp athi serious ngithi athi I'm so happy yabona so ufuna senze kanjani yabona ngithi no angifuni ukuthi ngihambe manje ngizohamba like later on angithanda ukuya esibhedlela ngifike ngihlale ngingadeliver ngifuna ngathi mangifika ngingene ngithola umntwana iphele indaba yabona athi hayi nalapho uqinisile asihlale vele kancane ayenze vele izinto zasendlini ayenza so that day I wasn't feeling like eating yabona bengahaleli ukudla yabona athi kimi hayi man you must eat something because we deliver umele uthola amandla ngithi uhlala uthele iba kukho mnandi yabona ngithi I'm going to eat something but okwamanje angakabi right for ukuthi ngadla yabona mangifuna something ngizokutshela athi okay athi ngipheke na ngithi no don't cook yabona sizobona ukuthi siyenza kanjani athi okay sharp khamba isikhathi ngiupdate no partner wami ngimtshela ngithi ama pains ayakhuphuka yabona angibuze ngenze kanjani ngibuye or ngenze ngithi no ngizokutshela mase ngithi buya but so far asamane athi okay sharp ungitshele enima ngabe khona any changes ngithi okay sharp khamba isikhathi babuye abantwana esikoleni and then ngaboma 3 ngizwe ukuthi no manje angisakhoni ngimfonele ngithi hayi no angisakhoni ngicela ukuthi ningikhapheni esibhedlela yabona abuye vele ngikuphatheleni ngithi ngifuna 1 2 3 4 yabona athi okay usister wami no you must eat something yabona I insist no mele uthola amandla phela for the whole day wena awudlanga yabona ngithi uqinisile ngicela ngitholele something yokuthi ngidle fast yabona athi ngipheke la ngifry inyama ngithi no inyama ngithanda ngathi ngaphuza something yabona athi okay ithi ngitholele cold drink akijema ngithengele icoke angithengele nama fried chips yabona abuye nazo so mina angithanda ikota angithanda ama chips but that day ngawadla because bese sekuyinto ukuthi is fast sekumele ngihambe angithelele i-cold drink bengihleli phansi sengigezile vele bengivuke ekseni ngigeze ngenzela ukuthi mase kufika vele isikhathi sisonke ngihlale ngiready angithelele i-cold drink angilethele ukudla mangidla ukudla kusangeni nama pains sewawese okay sharp athi hayi man idla yabona uzothola amandla ngizama ukuthi ithi ngidle yabona ngizohlala something esiswini ngidle ama chips ngidle Mangisadla kanjalo ngizwe and then I had a running stomach.
Okay.
Yeah, sichinchi sisu. Ngitshele mina ukuthi no, it's part of ama labor pains.
Okay.
Yabona, but I've never experienced such with my previous kids. But then ngitshe athi kimi no, phela abantwana ngeke bonke baze ngendlela efanayo. Maybe it's going to be different. Yabona, ngithi okay, yeah, you're right. Yabona, ngiqhubeke ngidle angakayiphuza i-cold drink. Ngizame ukuphakama because beyiphansi. Ngizame ukuphakama ngithi ngiyayidobha i-cold drink ikhahleleke ichitheke yabona. Athi yo askisi uyabona manje sokuchitha i-cold drink ngikuthelele enye ngithi yes please ithele. I loved Coke. Bengiyiphuza ngiyi-1 like in 10 minutes nje beyiphelile like bengithanda kakhulu. Coke was my favorite. Angithelele enye i-cold drink. Ngithi ngiyaphakama futhi same thing ichitheke wabona i-Coke. Ngithi yo iyachitheka and manje sengingcolise nama-slippers because I was wearing ama-slippers namasokisi. Ngithi yo and seyangcolise yazi ukuthini ma uyithela manje I'm gonna drink it like 1 2 3 ngingasayibeki phansi ngithelele ngiyibambe esandleni. Athi yazini ngoba usangcolile i-cold drink ingcolisile chincha yabona faka amanye ama-slippers or ezinye igcathulo amateki or something yabona ngithi no I don't want amateki ngifuna something edlusi yabona. Yeah athi okay qoka something ke ngizobe ngithelele i-cold drink. Ahamba athela i-cold drink ngibe ngichintsha ama-slippers ngiba phezulu ko-drop ngathatha phezulu ko-drop ngiqoke ngihlale phansi sikangithele i-cold drink ngithathe ngiyiphuze. Hey mangiqeda ukuyiphuza i-cold drink kuphume blood yabona. There was blood yabona ngithi yo ish lama labor pains angizela ngenye indlela yazi I've never had such yabona angaze yayenzeka into so ngalabantwana bamboyi yabona. Athiyo manje siyenze kanjani ngithi hayi asambeni vele bazongisiza phambili vele sesihamba sesilinde uzakhele bese siyahamba.
Hang on, isingidisturbe kancane. Uthi i-blood beyikhona after uqeda ukuphuza, how many minutes after?
Maybe 15-16 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, kuphume igazi yabona hayi ngidayiphe and then afike upartner wami hayi ready ngithi yes ngiready vele hayi asambeni siphumeni sambeni. We were staying with umalume ka boyfriend umkhulu abantwana and then sikhulume nomkhulu siyahamba sicela ukuthi usibhekele abantwana sekuyisikhathi esisoso jabula umkhulu yo kudala silindile kunini we couldn't wait for her hambani yo deliver kahle. He prayed for me and then sahamba saya esibhedlela mangifika esibhedlela bathi kimi oh okay this one it's an emergency it is 6 fast akufuneka ukuthi ube khona igazi yabona. And then mangifika bangifaka ama drip before drip bangithatha weight BP and everything yabona then bangithathe igazi yabona. After some time I think sifike esibhedlela it was around 7 it was early 7:30 bangithatha igazi bayenze zonke lezi zinto lezi bangise in my room yabona but this is your room uzodeliverla lana bla 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 ngithi okay sharp ngibonge abuzo partner wami ngihlale nawe na yabona or ngihambe ngendlini ngithi no you can go home uyo relax because uphuma emsenzini ukhathele yabona mina I'm gonna uzoba right ngithi yes ngizoba right okay sharp abuzo ukuthi hayibo uyahamba ngithi yes ngathi ngaba yi1 ngifuna uba yi1 yabona athi okay sharp ke bangishiye bashiye izinto zami and then they went back home. I think after hour baphumile I delivered yabona ngathola umntwana wentombazane njengoba bebalokhu basho vela amagayini ukuthi it's a baby girl ngithola vele intombazane. I was so happy mangaqeda ukudeliver the first person ngimfonele it's my little sister hi sisi yo sengithola umntwana intombazane yabona siyabonga bla bla yabona ngithi okay sharp ngithi sizokhuluma yabona athi okay and then I think ngideliver around 8:30 so and then ngishawa 9 ngishaye 9:30 ngishawa 10 10:30 yabona and then ngiye nese station ngiyobuza ukuthi hayibo mina senthi ngithola umntwana nami akakezi kimi what's happening yabona because ngiyabezwa abanye abantwana ama next door bayakhala abomama bayancilisa yabona what's happening but okay ish wenze kahle wafika vele bese sithi siyokubiza yabona ngithi okay I'm here sengisifikele ke umntwana akho unenkinga akakhona ukuphefumula yabona ngithi akakhona ukuphefumula yeah so besathi sokubuza ukuthi what did you eat yabona anginakanga mina ngithi angazi ukuthi kwenzakala ngithi hayi ngidla cold drink ngadla nama chips yabona bathi no man ngathi udle ipoison yabona because masithatha igazi khona into esitholayo so ngathi udla ipoison what's happening awuphuzanga lezi zinto zabogogo ukuthi umntwana shesha afike bla 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 and bengayi angiyenzi lonto leyo not ukuthi angiphuzi imithi no I don't batshele no angiphuzi but no ngathi khonto ephuzele iye yaba strong for umntwana so umntwana akakhona ukuphefumula but we're gonna take some other tests sibone ukuthi ama results azophuma kanjani yabona. Okay baphinde futhi bangenze bathatha amanye amagazi yabona hayi asho lo sister time man same thing yabona sisikhumbula kahle ngibatshela ngithi no ngidla ama chips ngaphuza i-cold drink bathi sisi uphuza ipoison udla ipoison yabona ngithi no ngiphike ngithi no angiphuza I think kune mistake but uyazothini sizofonela udoctor I don't know I forgot his name sizofonela udoctor Sibanibani uzofika and then uyozorana ama test thina sesiyekile from now because shuthi into esiyenzayo uthi ayikho yabona ngiphike vele ngithi ayikho yabona vele afika udoctor I think it was around 3 ekuseni athatha amagazi and then after some time afike naye sister what did you eat yabona hey ngiqale ngithuke manje ngithi no mina ngidle 1 2 3 athi but sithola ipoison yazi mangibuyela endlini isandla sami besi green blackish I don't know because bebelokhu bangibhizi bakhipha igazi yabona isikhathi eside okay sharp but kimi ayazi ukuthini hamba uphumula kancane because since bangivuse ngo11 angisakhonanga ukuthi ngiphumule plus ngibona ne condition yomntwana akusekho mnandi yabona ngithatha ifone ngibafonela endlini ngithi guys please pray for the baby is not okay blah 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 but okay we are praying since isilokhu sithandaza vele since usitshela ukuthi umntana akekho nawe yabona ngithi and kubhlungu because abanye abomama abahleli nabantwana babo mina 1 2 3 but no don't worry we are praying blah 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 okay sharp kube kuseni around 7 hamba ngiyogeza vele ngigeze ngibe right but you can go see your baby yabona okay sharp ngiphindele ngemntwaneni umntwana akavulanga amehlo ulele nje lapho only machine ekhala yabona angibuze hayi unjani umntwana ubaba umntwana ngithi ayish akekho sharp lo muntu yazi ngiyabona manje yabona and ama-sets wakhe awekho sharp akaphefumuli kahle ayi today ngathi it's worse yabona athi ish ungasho kanjalo ngithi ya kunjalo yabona ngithi just pray mhlawumbe uzoba right yabona futhi angizange ngithi mhlambe I said uzoba right asithandazeni because I had faith bengitshela ukuthi uzoba right umntwana bengacabanga ukuthi lento le ingaba too strong for yena yabona okay sharp siqhubeke I was praying a lot ngithandaza azange ngize ngidle na anything ngibhizi ngithandaza ngithi hayi uzoba right umntwana but then ayishingibona ukuthi akabe right 9 o'clock afika ubaba umntwana can I see the baby yabona because bekangakamboni vele afika mbona yo she's so cute hayi and she was so big umntwana athi yo muhle hayi lo muntu uzoba right walokhu uzistressa uthi sithandaze ngithi no ayish angiboni kahle ngibona angavula amehlo anganyakazi so uyangiwarisha yabona athi I understand but hayi lo mntwana she looks healthy uzoba sharp yabona hayi sihlale naye umntwana and then bekasemsebenzini that I'm going back to work ngizolokhu sikhuluma efonini ngithi hayi okay sharp and then no sister wami ngimtshela ukuthi umntwana 1 2 3 but then there was akabuzanga ukuthi what's happening akafunanga any updates that because uyazi ben expect ukuthi uzothi siswami unjani umntwana unjani khamba kanjani izinto ezikanjalo because we usually do that we usually chat yabona hayi angakhulumi anything hayi ngizithulele nami and then udoctor asked him you know what I'm thinking of discharging you uyendlini and then you're going to come back uzobona umntwana kusasa yabona are you fit enough ngithi yes I'm fit I'm going to be okay that's okay siyak-discharge you can go home you're going to come back tomorrow ngithi okay thank you ngifonela baba umntwana ngithi bangi-dischargeile yabona so I have to come back tomorrow athi hayi kungcono at least tomorrow ngizobe ngi-off yabona sizohambani together okay before ngihamba ngendlini athi usister before uzalana usifonele kuqala because it might happen ukuthi simsusa umntwana akho simise kwesinye isibhedlela since well lo machine lo ayifunayo ingekho thina asinayo usister
oh okay
yeah athi yes athi umntwana akho kunomshini awufunayo yiwo ozomsiza so before you come ekuseni just give us a call and then sokutshela ukuthi usasekhona or uhambile na ngithi okay no problem they gave me ama numbers wabo and then we go sahamba sayendlini hayi mangifika endlini vele bengi off nje ayi bantwana babuza hayibo uphi umntwana ngithi no umntwana akekho right but uzoza kusasa yabona bathi okay yayithina siyamfuna bla bla ngithi uzoba right nje but bengekho right hayi sifika endlini ngigeze ngithandaze ngilale usisama kakhulumi u-off nje naye yabona she's dodgy hayi nganaki nix hayi ngizilalele ngivuke futhi ekseni ngithatha ifone ngifonela isibhedlela hayi bosanibonani yimi umama walo mntwana ogulayo yabona because she was the sickest baby in the world ngithi umama umntwana ogula kakhulu usasekhona na but ya usasekhona sicela ukuthi uze yabona and emawuza today sicela ukuthi uze with someone yabona maybe nibe yi2 nibe yi3 yabona ngizibuza ukuthi hayi why siba yi2 namhlanje siba yi3 ayi ngithi okay hayi ngizoze yabona athi ya uze manje namhlanje akaphefumuli kahle at all ama sets wakhe are very 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 low yabona inhliziyo zami bebhlungu kakhulu ngishawa uvalo yabona ayi ngivuke kunzima kunjalo ngizama ukugeza sihambe sosibhedlela sihambe nobaba umntwana so usister wami ngibuza ukuthi ungathanda ukuhamba nathi naye yabona athi mina ngeke ngikhona ukuhamba ngcono ngimele laba babuye esikoleni ngisale ngibanakekela lana ngithi okay sharp eshinane lapho ngiyabonga uyangisiza vele okay siphume sihambe semntwaneni siphume early I think it was about 8:30 so sifike esibhedlela hayi masifika hayi sithole vele kugcwele emntwaneni nama-doctor bagcwele kakhulu awuma sithi siyangena bathi hayi sicela nimeni kancane they gave us chairs and then sahlala ngaphandle they were busy with her basebenza asazi ukuthi benzani and then thina ayikho ingqondo ukuthi mhlambe khona into ezoyenzakala yabona sitshela ukuthi babhizi naye vele nje yabona hayi sizidlalele sizixoxela athi muhle lo mntwana hayi siyazixoxela kumnandi siyahleka athi and ngathi badlula bonke lapha bayithu sihleke nje athi hayi no nithi no ukuthi usasemncane phela sizomona kahle isikhathi masihamba yabona athi ya mhlawumbe ukhuluma iqiniso athi hayi mara ngibona ngathi muhle kakhulu and she's the biggest of them all cause she's the one obakaweya iweight enkulu ubadlula bonke bana hayi sihleke nje kube mnandi usister makaza kithi uza nje sekazosho ukuthi hayi ngicela ningeneni ke manje seku-right ningeza nizobona umntwana yabona okay basigezisa izandla sigqoke lezi zinto zakhona singene emntwaneni hayi masifika ke basuka bo-doctor kusale abayi-2 and then no sister sanibonani niyaphila hayi siyaphila okay hayi uyangazi vele mina bese sesimazi vele yena and then this is Dr. Khumalo this is Dr. What's his name Dr. Naid, I don't know, Naid.
You don't have to say that.
Okay. Sharp, okay, basitshela ukuthi lo ubani. Okay, Sharp. Okay, guys, we are sorry. Yabona? So, yabona makaqala asho kanjalo, ngivele ngibona ukuthi hayi obvious. But ingqondo ayikho lapho, ayikho. Angathi bengiyezwa, I don't know what was happening. But nje angazi kwenzakaleni. I actually don't know what happened. We are sorry, umntwana akasekho. So, yabona? Hey inhliziyo yami ibebuhlungu yabona semanje ubaba umntwana sekayakhala manje yabona sekumele ngithulise yena nami sengiyashake sengizichamele nje yonke leyo nto leyo lapho yabona hayi basiphuzisa amanzi anoshukela bamthathe bamkhiphe lezi zinto bebamfake zona because she had izinto eziningi kuye ngapha bebamkhathile nje it was a lot yabona hayi bamkhiphe bathi hlalani phansi basikukise yana yabona bathi nangumntana wakho sicela ukuthi umbambe kokugcina ngimthathe ngimbambe bamthathe bakhe
askis Chomi oh my god askis kupa tissue guys askis
basibambise yena simbambe umntwana and then bamfolda ngengubo and then bathi okay bangipha amanye amaphepha just sign here ama-documents lawa ngisayine and then salinda abantu basemoshari ukuthi bafike bazomthatha bamthatha bahamba naye and then sabuyela endlini nathi and then sahamba masifika endlini naye ngiyabuza ukuthi since singamkhavanga anywhere sizoyenza kanjani yabona because besingakamkhavi athi don't worry ngizomngcwaba umntwana ngithi okay sihlale ke ngitshela the first person engimfonele it's my sister ngimtshela ngithi umntwana ushonile athi yo serious ngithi athi yo askisi yabona ngithi asathi uyakhuluma ngithi nongasakhulumi vele siyeza endlini masifika endlini sifike sihlale vele aphuze nizoyenza kanjani ngithi hayi uthe uzomngcwaba ubaba umntwana so I think it's right yabona athi hayi okay nginisize ngani ngithi hayi okwamanje singakhulumeni izinto eziningi ngasilindeni ifamily and then sizobona ukuthi senza kanjani but nje for ukumngcwaba sizoba right athi hayi okay sharp and then the following day ngithi ushone on Thursday umntwana ngithi mina ngicela ukuthi kusasa like hambe nenze i-quotation nibuza ukuthi ishanduzi nani bangcwaba ngamalini yabona athi hayi okay sizohamba okay sharp avuke ekuseni usister wami ahamba ayobuza and then angibuyele ukuthi okay lana bathi malini lana bathi malini lana bathi malini
so your sister
ngimtshele ngithi yazi ukuthini ngithanda ukungaba nalaba because bake basingcwabela umalume so ngiyayazi service yakhona even though bebiza yabona athi umuntu wami no it's fine sizomngcwaba noma ngabe bayadura it's okay yabona kumele simenzele nje anything because usimenzele kokuqala nokugcina it's okay sharp sihlale bafika abazali bami baze bafike nabobhuti kufike nje ifamily yonke babuze ni right sinsize ngani yabona ngisho ngithi no we are covered nje thina nje ukuba khona kwenu it means a lot yabona but hayi okay sharp u right ngizoba right angiko right but ngizoba right but hayi okay sharp kambe isikhathi ushona on Thursday Friday simkhiphe moshari simfayile moshari sizongcwaba nayo and then I don't know ukuthi kwayenzakalani and then saba late somewhere bathi sibavalile asakhona ukumthatha yes asakhona ukuthi singcwabe on Saturday yabona okay sharp vele no mama asho ukuthi yazini bengingathanda ukuthi simngcwabe ngeSaturday umntwana bengifuna simngcwabeni during the week because kunesiphithiphithi emathuneni ngama weekend it's like okay it's fine then she decide ukuthi sizomngcwaba nge-Tuesday bekuyi-2 September because ushone nge-28 August. Okay sharp. Monday mama ahamba emakhazeni bafike bamgeza umntwana benze everything with my sister-in-law. Bawumgeza umntwana benze yonke into hayi babuye. So mama bekaqala ukumbona athi umntwana omuhle kanje. I don't understand ukuthi wenzakaleni. Yazi bengithi mangimgeza mangimphendula bengathi uzokhala or something or anyakaze because ubonakala sharp yabona. Ngithi hayi nami understand angazi shem ukuthi kwenzani but abadoctor bashilo ukuthi ngidle ipoison. So I don't understand ukuthi ipoison ngidle kuphi because angihambi imizi yabantu akunamuntu ongaziyo nala ngihlala khona nix abangazi yabona. Athi mama mhlambe kune misunderstanding but mhlambe isikhathi masiya sizobona ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Ngithi hayi okay sharp ngizama ukuhlisa umoya so nje ukuba khona kwabantu endlini bekungikhuthaza bengizama ukuthi ngibe ngcono ngiphole. My brother uthanda ukuyenza ama jokes enza ama jokes I was even laughing nje yabona up until kufike iTuesday so it was full bekugcwele endlini bangibuze okay so ufuna ukuthi umntana wakho azolala endlini or ufuna afike the following day so bengibona isiphithiphithi badakiwe and uyazwisisa ukuthi mina ngihleli phansi ngengilokhu ngithi niyarasa niyaphithiza ngithi yazi ukuthini ukavoid izinto eziningi ngicela ukuthi afike kusasa ekseni at least ngo7 because sizomngcwaba ngo9 at least afike ngo7 and then sihlale nayo leso sikhathi leso up until siyombeka but hayi okay sharp balale into engishoyo okay sihlaleni Monday and then ebusuku ba Monday angikhonanga ukulala ubuthongo bebungafiki bekunzima because akekho umuntu owashona lo mntwana ekhaya iqale ngami so nje bekunzima ukuthi sekuzofika umntwana nanokuthi ngikwala so bengisaba isidumbu ibox and everything yabona so nje bekunzima azange ngilale for the whole night zange ngilale bebalele besigcwele vele endlini silele sonke and then kwasa ekseni ngabo ma4 hayi kwavuka kwabasebenza kwaphithizela abathi hayi wena geza nje uhlale phansi ngageza mangisahleli kanjalo ifike imoto yomntwana iyenze le sound yakhona yabona ngiphinde ngizichamele futhi sengigqokile manje sizoyenza kanjani futhi yabona hayi mkhiphelani impahla bangikhiphela impahla ngigqoke yabona babuza ayikho into ozoyiphuza na ukuthi mhlambe wehlisa umoya ukuthi uqine ngithi no ngizoba right I was shaking yabona hayi basho ukuthi ayihlala phansi umntwana sekafikile afika umntwana bambeke vele ngicela ukumbona yabona bathi okay sharp simvule simbheke because abanye bebengakamboni vele because ushonele esibhedlela waphelela esibhedlela angakafiki endlini hayi bamvule umntwana omuhle kangaka simbone simkhiphe simphendule sitshela ukuthi mhlambe kahle mina benginento ukuthi mhlambe uzonyakaza mhlambe uzovuka I don't know but nje I had that ukuthi hayi mhlambe kune mistake or something yabona so mangilokhu ngiyenza yonke lento leyo usisi wami ulokhu uyaphithizela akahlaliseki yabona kube khona into efika engqondo yami ukuthi like why ayenza so usisi wami umuntu ophaphile ne but makunento ezwisa ubhlungu uyakhala I remember bekasho besishonele umngane wakhe this year early I think it was in July wathola car accident umngane wakhe she was crying bekawa simbamba yabona ngathi uyafainta kwenza but umntana amuthema kashona akakhiphanga even inyembezeli 1 azange azakhala azayenze ngisaba so ngizibuza ukuthi like why engakhale emntwaneni wami yabona hayi ngaphinde nganaki ngithi maybe I'm overthinking or something ngithi ethi ngiphume lapho hayi simbona umntwana abantu bafika bafundisi iqala inkonzo omncwabo kushunyayelwe kukhulunywe and everything ashawu 9 satha umntwana siyombeka sibuyeni oma 10 11 bese sesibuyile sesihleli sesiyaxoxa sekuyadliwa umoya uyayehla because service was perfect everything went just fine nabantu basupportile nje bebagcwele bekukuhle umncwabo waba muhle kwaba ngathi singaba umuntu omdala okay sharp makhamba isikhathi after umncwabo okay omunye mina ngiyahamba because ngihlala kude kusho usister ka boyfriend nangihlala kude guys so kwamele ngihambe sizolokhu sikhuluma emafonini yabona ngithi okay sharp uhambe kahle siyabonga sisi ngakho konke support and everything okay sharp sizokhuluma ahambe usister after funeral no brother wami navele uyazi ngimsebenzini sisi ngiyakuthanda sizobonana bla 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 ngithi okay mama athi mina ngisazohlala yabona because ngifuna ukuthi uzube ngcono maybe ngizohlala nawe a week or yabona ngithi okay sharp ngiyabonga kakhulu futhi nalapha yabona ngizokusiza ngayo yonke into ngithi hayi okay sharp usisi wami lokhu uthulile ukhona la endlini athi later on mina kuzomela ngihambe Dala vele
Ushukela.
yes hayi mina kuzomela ngihambe kudala vele ngihleli nani bekumnandi ngiyabonga nje yonke into so kusasa kunalamele ngiyoqala khona umsebenzi yabona ngithi yo ish wahamba kabi singenamali yazi bengifuna ukuthi masohamba ngikuphe something because ish ungisizile ngibongile angazi ngithini athi no it's enough ngenzele okuningi ngiyabonga siswami like ube umuntu kimi nangiphatha kahle nje ngi-right yabona ngithi hayi okay shem ngiyabonga kakhulu okay kufike isikhathi later on that day kube khona amaphepha ekumele ngiwalungise ama-death certificate and stuff yabona ngithi yazi ukuthini angikhona ukuhlala mangihleli so like yonke into iyabuya the very same day yomnqo ngithi ngicela ningithathe ningisene police station yolungisa amaphepha lawo ngenze ngicertify na everything nama-death certificate yonke into nanani but namhlanje ngithi yes namhlanje yabona okay sharp my other brother I have 3 brothers so i2 besasekhona kuhambe only one nomakoti wakhe angithatha oyi-1 siyene police station senze lonke lento engifuna ukuyenza and then ngithi kuye ish yazi kunala mele ngiye khona kumele ngiyothola imali nyana kunala bengidlala khona society so ngiyayidinga le mali well since uNosipho ahamba ngifuna ukumupha something ungisizile wangisizela nabantwana bami yabona so at least ngimuphe something yabona angimtshelanga but ngicela ningiseni khona hayi fine siye khona ngifike ngibanika ama-death certificate ama-BI and everything yabona nama-ID bank statement yonke into okay sharp bathi hayi so uqedile and then uzothi mawuhlele endlini uzwe ngamali ingene yabona so uthe usisi wami uyahamba the following day okay sihlala mase sahleli kanjalo hayibo ngiyibona imali naye yangena okay ngimenzele i-transfer ngithi hayi nayo imali 1,000 rand yabona angibheke athi ngiyenzele into imali wasephening yabona ngithi just to say thank you ngisizile kakhulu ngiyabonga athi hayi wena udinga imali kakhulu ungangiphi imali mina ngizoba right la ngikhona bla 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 ngithi no ithathe yabona athi no angiyifuni ayingabi imali yabona ayibuyise back kimi yabona athi ungamane ungiphe noma i200 or 100 rand yabona okay like enough I had to cash kimi umphi 200 rand ngithi nayi ke 200 rand yabona okay sharp sihlaleni ke sekusebusuku manje abo baba bebalala bodwa singabo mama besilala because besibaningi so bekumele nje sigrouphane sifihle nje ikhanda okay sharp later on that day sebelela abantu abukafiki kimthongo mama wami naye ulele phathakala la ngobuthongo usister wami akekho endlini uphumile she's outside yabona kube khona into ethi phumela ngaphandle yabona remember I had a big baby and I had 13 stitches so bengakakhona ukuyo toilet yabona but kube khona into ethi kimi hamba uye toilet yabona ay ngithi singayidoubt yabona ngiphumele ngaphandle because benganabuthongo angazi bekwenzakalani ngiphumele ngaphandle and then ngiye toilet ngifike ngithi ayibona Nosipho kunini use toilet ngicela ukuthi uphume yabona ngiphethwe isiso athi hayibo soyakhona wena ukukaka yabona ngithi ngiyakhona yabona athi muswana unama stitches ngisase busy nami ngiphethwe like enze nje ama excuses alame yabona ngithi hayi okay sharp uyenza uqede ke ngizophinde ngibuye ne ngingasuke toilet ngimi toilet ngime so yena ngishaya igathulu kube ngathi ngiyahamba phaqa ayitshela ukuthi ngisukile ngimi mangithi ngiyezwa kuyakhulunywa kuyahlejwa la toilet angazi ukuthi wena usisi wami umfunani mubi unabantwana mina ngakazali mina yabona
ukhuluma nobani
ukhuluma nobaba abantwana toilet ngilanga lomncwabo hey lona usona uyakhuluma ngami uyakhuluma mina nginje mina ngi-independent mina ngiyasebenzela mina ngisona mawuzothatha mina ngeke uzusokole bla 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 yabona bengathi ngiyahlanya bengathi ingqondo ihambile yezwa sisi hayibo ngishaya i-toilet yabona ngithola amandla ngazi ukuthi ngiwathola aphi because ngumdlezane uyakhumbula ngishaya i-toilet livuleke mangithi nangu she's naked yabona and then I was like what's happening yabona hayi please ngikhalumelana ngicela ungayindlini ngicela unga-expose ngicela ungakhulumi ngiyahamba manje ngiyaxolisa yabona ngithi abadoktar bathe ngidla poison ngithi wena ungidlisile wena yabona ngisobe la bengime khona bekunemopho yabona ngithatha imopho ngibashaya bonke manje
manje indoda yakho ugela ngithi ungunu
umile lona umile uyamtshela no don't do this is wrong bla 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 yena umuntu ophansi uphansi he's so down umuntu vele ongakhulumi athi mara lento mabalokhu ba whisper lapha toilet no this is wrong we can't do this no wrong bla 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 ulokhu yamtshela no wena yenza so in yabona and then isha umnyango uvuleke mangithi ngithola imopho ngithatha imopho ngibashaye ngayo boyi2 ngishaya so usisi wami uchintshe skin ubleachile so she's white yabona mangimshaya achintshe abe red abe green yabona balimazi imopho iziphuke iba ama piece afika umalume athi uyangibamba uyangikhuza benginamandla ngazi ukuthi ngiwathathephi ngimbambe naye ngimlahlelele ayowela le kude and then kunama tenants afika ama tenants wayenza kanjalo yabona ngithi ngicela usuke phambi kwami baba ngithi suka phambi kwami athi yazi ukuthini ngiyasuka la avela suka ngene endlini yakhe athi yazi angifuni ukuzingena yabona angene endlini ahlala endlini ayilona mangisalokho ngikhuluma usister wami athola i-chance ukuthi abaleke. Ngibuza ukuthi kwenzakalani? Asho umuntu wami, athi no sister wakho uthe ngize le toilet ufuna ukukhuluma nami khona. Ngithi e-toilet yini kumele ngikhulume le-toilet? Yini le ngakhulumeki endlini neyokhuluma e-toilet? Yabona? Hayi, asikisi usisi wakho bekalokhu angibiza lana athi. Ngithi umama kunenja. So umama akajwayelanga yakhumbula lapho. Bafike nje for a funeral. Umama sekafuna ukuphumela ngaphandle akakhona ukuphuma usaba inje. Yabona? Ish. Inhliziyo yami ibebuhlungu ngithi no ungaphumi athi right ngithi ngi right athi buya endlini yabona ngithi mama no ngizoba right athi buya endlini ungayenzi lento yenza uqeda ukushonela ungahalwi ungakhulumi ungarasi yabona I wrong lento wani ungaba umntwana ophenduke kwabasona yaza ngithanda akhale yabona akhale kabuhlungu hayi ngithi azokuthini ngiyekele lento engenza ngene endlini ngihlale phansi ngithi mama ngithola lona uthi toilet ngami so athi lo ngithi usiso asifuna sipho ngithi remember ubalekile ngithi sekaphumile ubalekile athi unosipho athi azobutana ngene udemon remember ukuphuma kwakhe ekhaya waphuma exabene nomama ngamdobha mina before aza kimi beka waye kwa boyfriend waxabana futhi ne boyfriend njengoba sekaza kimi yabona bekungamelanga uzomthathe from first place lona uso unje yabona ngithi no it's fine mama sekwenzekile it's okay asizamene ukuthi sidlule lapho kumele ngizama ukuthi ngihile yabona athi enokhuluma iqiniso sihlaleni kuba boma 9 10 azumalume nobaba abantwana sizoxolisa nomthandazo ungavumeli ukuthathwa inhliziyo ungakwati ungayenza ungathathi inqumo usakwatile because bese ngiphekile izinto zami ngithi mama ekseni siyaphumana siyahambana yabona awungavumeli ukuthi ukwata kukwenzisa ukuthi uthathe inqumo uthatha nenqumo ezi wrong so ngithi no mina I've made up my mind kusasa ekseni ngiyaphuma ngihamba manje abantwana bazoyenza kanjani esikoleni ngithi ngizobona ukuthi ngenza kanjani ngabantwana but kusasa ekseni mina nabantwana siyahambana hayi ungahambi bla ngithi ngicela nisuke ngicela ningipheni isikhathi sami ngeke ngizithole yabona because lento yenzakalayo angiyazi yabona okay sharp bahambe baphume bahambe bayelo endlini la bekulalwa khona abobaba sisale noma mama yabona before that I skip some other part I don't know if I can go back
go back to
okay right yeah. After umncwabo the very same day after umncwabo I think ngaboma 8-7 yabona masisahleli there was usisi wami bekaphethe iphone yabona ngithi mina kuye ngicela ukuthi ngiboleke iphone yakho ngifuna ukufaka i-airtime since le phone yami iyafainta uyayazi yabona aso okay anginikeze iphone yakhe before everything anginikeze iphone yakhe nayi iphone yakhe ukhuluma no sister in law wami le mali onginikeze yona incane yabona incane I don't know kube bebangibambile mina bengizoyenza kanjani bla 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 I will never
sister in law
always at my early because aruwamsebenzini na ubla bla 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 angazi kube bebangibambile bengisizoyenza kanjani yabona I'll never do any favors for you na bla 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 uyabona ukuthi sekuze kwashona nomuntu sekuze kwaphuma nesidumbu ngaphakathi
okay
efonini ka sister wami ngithola into kanjalo yabona because bengibabona no sister indo they were close yabona hey ngihlanganise 1+1 lo sisi lona uthini imali yani lekhuluma ngayo isidumbu sakhe ngithi no lona uye ongidlisa ipoison yabona ngimtshela mama ngithi hayi mama yazi kunento so sengibona efonini kaNozipho so unfortunately asakhona ukuthi ngibabonise lonto leyo because ubalekile usister wami yakhumbula ubalekile umama athi yazi ukuthini ngicela ukuthi singakhulumi ngalento namhlanje iyangilimaza ngicela siboneni maybe kusasa or isikhathi masilokho siya because I'm not okay and mama wami sekamdala uyazwisisa inhliziyo yami ibebuhlungu ukuthi why did I fall pregnant from scratch because manje ngathi le pregnancy yenze idrama yabona hayi ngiphinde ngisho ukuthi no bengazi yazi ukuthi kuzoba so okay sharp silaleni sizama ukuthi silale sibaxolisile and stuff and then ebusuku ubuthongo kimi abukho ashethe nabantwana hayi alright ngithi ngibuza kanjani kodwa ukuthi ngiright emva kokuthi kwenzakala into so ngizoba right kanjani ngishonela umntwana yabona athi hayi man askisi for yonke into bla 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 yabona ngithi no mina ngifuna ukukhuluma nani ngiright ningangikhulumisi yabona and malokho ukhuluma uzenza ukuthi ngikublock so ngicela ukuthi singalokho sikhuluma I'm sorry don't leave bla 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 yabona ngivele ngisazi ukuthi let me block him block ama cause and everything because uzolokho angibangele inkinga and ngifuna exactly ngifuna ukuzama ukuthi ngiphole noma ngeke ngiphole manje but ngifuna ukuthi ngibe right nami yabona okay sharp umama wami ke silale angibuze are you really living in the morning ngithi siyahamba kusasa ekseni sibuyela ekhaya athi sho ngithi athi abantwana bazenza ngaza ngithi no don't worry about kids mina I'm going to make a plan yabona athi hayi if mawusho kanjalo but mina angifuni kube ngazathi lana ngizochitha relationship yakho or whatever angifuni uhambe nami angifuni uhambe egameni lami bengifuna uhlale uzithole wenze kahle umcabango wakho ebese masu right khani uthi uyahamba ngithi awukho umcabango engisazoyenza mangahambanga manje angeke ngiphinde ngihambe yabona athi hayi mawusho kanjalo okay sharp ngifonela ubhuti wami ngimtshele ekseni ngithi bhuti ngicela ukuthi uzosithatha nomama nabantwana siyahamba so nginezinto ngicela ukuthi uze nemoto yabona athi hayi okay no problem yabona sihlale sometime afike ubhuti wami sengifikile angafuni ukungena ejaridini after yonke le drama yenzekile athi angisafuni ukungena lana phuma nize ngaphandle yabona hayi siphume umalume aze asikukise amabhegi nezinto singene emotweni siphume sihambeni siye ekhaya ngifike ngihlale ekhaya ke isikhashanyana ngizama ukuthi ngizithole yabona ngitholisisa and then masihleli with my other friend bengazi my daughter has an iPhone so iPhone yami yakhe isebenzisa i-email address ka sister wami.
Okay.
Yes ngizama ukuthi ngifuna ukuthola ukuthi kahle kahle what really happened yabona ngiye komunye umfana sihlale nalo umfana ngimcela ngicela ukuthi uze kimi ngifuna ungenzele 1 2 3 and 4 ngifuna ukuthola something khona information engiyifunayo avuma umfana okay sharp sizoyenza lonto le si create email address lena sihlale singamfakeli singamconnectisi umntwana and then simconnectise that day sifuna ukubona because i-iPhone le yakhe neka sister wami ziya share I don't know if ngiyangizwa na okay sharp sizama ukuthola ukuthi kuphi sizama ukhack WhatsApp and everything and then masiya through WhatsApp siyabona vele ukuthi sister wami she's the one who poisoned me because uyam-explainela u-sister in law ukuthi kwenzakale 1 i-cold drink yokukhala ichithekile nesi-2 kwenzakale so nesi-3 so i-problem ukuthi my sister asimazi ukuthi ukuphi up until abaleke ngalela langa lela lomngcwabo ebusuku ngiqeda ukumshaya ngimthole toilet yes since wabaleka that day up until today asimazi ukuthi kuphi yena no sister in law lapha ahlala khona sithole sekunama tenants ePretoria because she's staying in Pretoria sithola ama tenants kubo abantwana bakhe bathi abamazi nabo masibuza ukuthi ukuphuma mina abantu asimazi ifoni yakhe vele since yaba off that day I don't know ukuthi maybe ebusuku mhlawumbe uya check ukuthi kwenzala no something but no but sister she blocked everyone who in her social media platforms washintsha inamba yakhe akekho umuntu okhuluma naye endlini yabona and then isikhathi masihamba ngazama ukuthi because we have mutual friends on Facebook yabona ngaqala umngane wami ngathi ngicela umtshela ukuthi azenzele ama-funeral cover and stuff because mina I cancelled everything after yonke lento le ayiseke into enaye phakathi because vele namuntu omcover like everyone in the family was fed up akekho umuntu obekamfuna so mina I thought ukuthi yazini umntwana mhlambe usazokhula uyazi ngithi ngimuphe lonto le so bengimsiza ngayo yonke into ngangokuthi nama-funeral covers ebekhokhulwa yimina yabona no mama akamkhokheli akayenzi next so after yonke lento le ngabona ukuthi ungenza so ngakhansela vele yonke into ngacela abangani bami ukuthi nimtshele ukuthi 1 2 3 4 yabona kunokuthi mhlambe akhombisa ukuthi uyaxolisa in athi vele ngizozenzela yabona okay ngithi hayi kungcono makazozenzela it's okay and then makhamba isikhathi there was this thing ethi yazokuthini revenge yabona ngithi lo ngiyamfuna and then ngifonele my other friend hi friend ngifuna usisi wami bathi bayambona endaweni so yabona athi okay ngikuhambise nini lapho yabona he was very supportive athi ngikuhambise nini lapho ngithi bathi uba khona lapho kulezo ndawo lezo ngama Friday Saturday Sunday yabona uba busy ema clubini ama clubs akhona angazi babiza ngamagama Cheeky Tigers yabona yes but utholakala ama Cheeky Tigers so then they spotted her mid-range yabona ngithi serious but ngifone ngithi mngani bathi use mid-range yabona bathi use mid-range namhlanje sigijime nomngane wami sishone mid-range masiqeda ukufika yabona ngibakhombisa isithombe ngithi I'm looking for lo muntu so yabona but uqeda ukuphuma manje uthena lana akukho busy yabona so ngibuza manje makaphuma kashonga ukuthi yakuphi bathi no wazange zasho vela athi lana akukho busy today uyahamba yabona sisuke siye Kempton Park siye kuphi ayi singamathola yabona inhliziyo yami ibebhlungu because bengimfuna bengisho ngithi la ngizomthola khona angifuni ukumbulala I think ngizomenza into ebhlungu but angeke ngize ngimbulale yabona hayi singamtholi sibuyele Saturday still asimtholi sibuyele Sunday singamtholi athi bodyguard I even took inamba ye bodyguard athi yazi ukuthini makafika la ngimtshela ukuthi yazi nomuntu wenze 1 2 3 4 so ngize ngimkhombise nama message ngimbonise nesithombe somntwana azobhlungu lo bhuti athi ngizokutshela yabona ngizomtshela lo mntwana ubulawa istage or something or she's on or something athi because vele mabazala bayadla ama and stuff yabona ngithi okay ngibe ngitshela ukuthi yazi ukuthini mhlamba ama nanani engihlizwe ithi ngimxolele enye ithi ngamxolele because mina ngilahlekele umntwana uyazi kusasebhlungu namanje into engeke iziphole futhi manje hayi bodyguard hayi gijima bathi kuphi namhlanje so bengilokhu ngigijima but azange ngize ngimthole up until today asimthole efonini yena no sister in law wami azange ngize ngimthole akatholakali asazi ukuthi noma usaphila noma kwenzakaleni but last time engicela ukuthi bakhulume naye yena bekasaphila so manje asazi ukuthi ukuphi wenzani nobani because akekho umuntu omtholayo efonini akekho so But there's a friend of mine who advised ukuthi since unalama message and everything, you should open a case.
Exactly.
Yes, but nesibhedlela siya i-medical report iyasho ukuthi no sengayivula i-case cause 1 2 3 cause ngiye ngaphindela back to Elisede ngabatshela ukuthi yazi ngiqeda ukuthola u1 no2 no3 no4 yabona so kusho ukuthi vele i-poison bengidlile. I'm sorry ukuthi bengiphiya cause I didn't know. Bengimtrusta lo muntu so bengacanga ukuthi angangenza into so. But hayi okay usune right ukuthi manje ungavula i-case. So ngiyasho ukuthi noma ngayivula i-case sizomthola kuphi. That's the problem. So nje ngimtholi like nginesilonda esingapholi sokuthi ngathi I feel like I failed umntanami cause ngathi angimlulanga ngathi angenzanga niks sengathi manje
ngingabongazi Msithumi so ungasblame
usho kanje
yeah ungasblame
I feel like I fail ngibona ngathi ngumama nje angazi ongenamvuzo something ngihlale ngisblame every day
ungasblame
like mangicabanga ukuthi umntwana omncane kangaka aze afe like ngikhona angazi ukuthi ngabe ngayenzani but I feel like ngathi bengimele ngabe ngenze something I don't know ukuthi
uzowazelaphi.
That's the problem because bengazi vele.
Okay, mina into ngifuna ukuyi-understand. Bayathola i-poison kumntana bakuthola i-poison egazini lakho. Wena kuwe bayikhiphe kanjani?
Baye bangidraina mina.
Okay.
Yes, and then umntwana iye yaba too strong for yena.
I-poison yani le?
Ish like angikhona ukubiza igama lakhona bangitshelile ukuthi into so about doctor yabona. So and i-poison yakhona iye yaba too strong for umntwana because uye wakakela kimi esiswini and then yabona but yaba strong because nami after that I had a running stomach yabona and then isisakhona besihamba negazi kimi nami bese ngitoilet igazi yabona it was very very bad I don't wanna lie it was very bad bengiphakathi kokufa nokuphila nami I think maybe kube thiwa abangidrainanga ngazi mhlambe ngabe kwenzakala something yeah because after lapho ngiyaba nama chest pains. Yes, ngiyaba nama chest pains. Ngaya ku doctor so benokho ngihamba u doctor up until ngathi ngiba ngcono but kunesikhathi sokuthi kufike isifo sami sishise kakhulu. Even namanje like isisami si lose. Ever since azange ngize ngibe right.
Okay.
Angiphinda ngaba right.
Did you go for counseling?
No, I didn't.
Why?
Angazi like angazi yazi this thing angazi ukuthi angazi noma ngithathile ingqondo noma kwenzakala nazange ngize ngi and bangifonele bathi mele uthole counseling so bengilokhu ngithi hayi ngizoza but azange ngize ngenze isikhathi se-counseling
ngicela uyena nje
ne
ukuthi ukwazi ukuphila because leya feeling ye revenge ngeke izihambe
ne ayihambi angilali nasebusuku vele ngihlale ngicabanga ukuthi ngisazomthola makuwukuthi usaphila ngizomzwisa ubuhlungu
khululeka
and ngiyathandaza vele
don't worry
ngiyathandaza yazi after yonke lento le ngazenza umngani noNkulunkulu yazi ungifundisa ukuthi ngithandaze ngempela ngaba unomthandazo ngempela ngiyathandaza kakhulu ngifuna uqamba amanga ngiyathandaza and ngiyazi ukuthi ngizomthola noNkulunkulu uzongilwela futhi kuye so nje ungishintshile ungenze ngaba omunye umuntu angisumuntu obelievela kuma revenge angisumuntu okulwa ngomunye umuntu ophansi but le yona angazi ukuthi izodlula makwenze njani
manje umuntu wakho usana yena manje
no I left ngahamba ngazitshela ukuthi you know what I'm choosing myself I'm leaving yeah cause baze bangena e-toilet bekwenze njani
exactly
yeah why a toilet what if khona into enzekile even before you know so nje angina idea yabona so bekumuntu hayi ngiyaxolisa can you fix things ngithi there's nothing to fix just fix yourself uwe onenkinga ayikho into engimele ilungisekela so ngitshela ukuthi you know what I'm going back home ngahlala isikhashanyana endlini angisebenzi ngiphume nama bag ngana nix but ngasho ukuthi you know what ngiyaphuma la and ngiphumile after a month mangihlele endlini ngohamba isikhathi ngasho ukuthi you know what ngiyahamba ngibuyela back to ngifuna abantwana bami babuyele esikoleni ngifuna ngahlala phansi ngakhuluma no principal wa understand but ibuyisa abantwana esikoleni after sebalove isikhathi eside balove for the whole month but waba nomusa wathi buyisa abantwana ngiya understand the situation yakho kubhlungu nami mawukuthi khona into engakusiza ngayo ngizokusiza yabona so nje for abantwana nje ngicela bafunde so babuyelile abantwana bami esikoleni and I'm so happy ukuthi ngazikhetha ngamela abantwana bami yeah cause kube mhlambe thiwa le poison yaba too strong ngabe ngifile mhlambe abantwana bami ngaba banabani manje ngaba bafundi so ngeke abantwana bahlale bengafundi ngikhona I had ukuthi ngenza amaminzi ukuthi babuyele esikoleni ngizitholela indawo yokuhlala sengidlala nabantwana bami kamnandi impilo yaqhubeka
makaskisi phela into odlule kuyo tsho
kunzima but kuzohila
makuzohila
yeah ngizohila ngizoba right
maka please go for counseling
ne ngizoya
ngiyacela nje ngiyabonga
yeah
any advice you can give
yes I was gonna go there is there any advice ongayinikeza abantu mara le family personally le.
Yeah, it's very, very personal. Nje, ngaba-advise ngithi nje, you know what? Don't trust anyone.
Ne.
Don't. Because sister wami, I trusted her with everything. Even ama funeral covers, choose over my boyfriend.
For
She was my
as next of kin.
beneficiary. Yes, kuwo wonke. I don't know ukuthi maybe enye into yamenza ukuthi azama ukungibulala mhlambe beka I don't know, you know, it's a lot. That's why bengikhalela ukuthi ngathi ngamthola sikhulume. But ngiyazi ngoba uthanda izinto uzoyibona lento le. Mhlambe uzoreact.
True.
Yeah, ngiyamazi uthanda izinto vele.
So i-advice yakho ukuthi themba nobody.
Nobody. Thembili, ngamani uthembiliji. Themba ilitshe ya ngifundile nami. Ya ngifundile shami kakhulu.
Okay,
Yeah, nami ngiyabonga.
Well guys, that's it for today. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Yo, story sa ausiwa bathong. Hi, re tla le bona happy next week guys. I love you guys. Peace out. Oh my god. Girl, I can feel your pain.
Yeah.